Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at IAA here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Check out all these cars and trucks that you could be parking in your garage or your driveway or the parking lot. If you live in an apartment, you don't have to be a dealer and you can find yourself some very cool cars and save yourself a whole lot of money. Let's go ahead and check out some of my favorites that I have found today. First up, yep, this would be my car if I was in college today. 2014 Dodge Challenger. When I was in college a couple of years ago, I had a black over black with wheels kind of like this Ford Mustang with tinted windows. It was a good looking Mustang. It was a piece of crap Mustang too. It had that 4-cylinder turbocharged motor that was a hunk and junk. But this one is a much, much nicer car than what I had. This is a collision type loss, and I'm looking for damage. I really don't see much. There's a couple of like scratches through here. I don't see any hail dings. Okay, here we go. Well, we have one flat tire. A lot of scratches right here though. These can all buff out. And another flat tire, and it looks like, yeah, she may have just like jumped a curb or something and kind of damaged the undercarriage. Is this for this? I think this is a different bumper. This goes to something else. Ouch. That was a mirror that came out and got me out of nowhere. Anyway, good looking car. I really think this would clean up very, very easily. There's just lots of scratches. She hasn't been waxed in a long, long, long time. Okay, a couple of little things right here. Nothing major. I wouldn't even fix that. The two tires that you have, woo, just a little bit of tread on them. Let's see what she looks like on the inside. And I do like this. I like the fuel door. We have power because the window just lowered. Yay! All right, kind of a normal spec. You've got your stain on the seat. Yeah, that stains on that seat too. Oh my gosh. Do I really want to sit on that first off and then carry that around on my shorts? Oh my gosh, we're going in. We're going in. Okay, so we do have power. Looks like we do have Bluetooth right here. And, oh, we have a brake pedal that goes all the way to the floor, I think. Let's just see what happens. That brake pedal goes all the way to the floor. Radio off. It's 89 degrees here in Tulsa today. 91,000 miles for your odometer. Okay. This reminds me a lot of my Mustang. It was black and plasticky. That's okay. This engine sounds good though, but I really think that we have some issues in the brake department because this is just not doing anything. It's not doing anything at all. Heat has taken its toll right here. You could fix that, I guess, with there's your trunk. Here's the hood. Let's do the hood and kind of see what's happening right here. Oh, we have all kinds of cables, which would indicate that, I bet the battery. Yep. Okay, so that ties into that, which means this, if it works, little aftermarket Kenwood, it's gonna be banging. What do they listen to? Nothing. 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 Well, that's kind of suspicious. Nothing plugged in or programmed into the radio. Okay, that's all right. No biggie. Ugh. More speaker wire. Okay, well, it had something back here at one time. It had something back here. Yeah, something, boom, 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 boom. Yeah. Oh, okay, the battery looks good, little Mopar battery. You do have your floor mats. That's nice, and you have these little winter mats as well. It's a big trunk. As far as engines, yep, standard old V6. Nothing special here. But I tell you what, for 91,000 miles, it sounds good. It looks good. We do have coolant, although it looks kind of dirty. It is orange. And I hear is the air conditioner on? I thought I heard something cycling. There it is. So your air conditioner works too. Oh, this would be an easy fix. Give yourself a couple of tires, maybe that cover under. Here you go. They've taken the wheel liner off. I guess that's a fog light connector right there. So there may be a little bit of undercarriage damage. And let's go ahead and check the brakes. Why is that going all the way to the floor? Maybe they hit a brake line or something. Here's your... Can you see through there? There is brake fluid. Right here it is. I guarantee you that's an easy fix. Maybe they just kind of nicked a brake line. Maybe the back of the wheel has some damage on it, but this could be a good fix. Here's something else in black. Yeah, 2010 BMW 528i that tried to pee on me when I opened the door. Okay, so as far as damage goes, well, this could be a problem. I don't think you could patch that. This has been dented here a little bit. I think the car just kind of slid into something, hit something, maybe the curb, part of a tree or something right there. A couple little dings right here, and another flat tire. Here's, see, same thing, same exact thing. So there could be some suspension damage. A little scratch on the bumper, nothing major. This is out of place. So I don't know if it was previous damage. But I like these cars. I don't know why. And yes, I understand X-Drive, so it's all-wheel drive. That's a little more complicated. I do understand that these have some issues, some mechanical engine-related issues, as do more and more BMWs, even the later ones. Nice looking interior, standard old sand beige. You're missing your mirror right there, and she could use a cleaning, and you're already gonna make 5 cents on the deal. Ooh, what is that? That's kind of cool. Nice little BMW keychain. And I think she has power because the light is on. Let's just kind of see what's gonna happen here. Oh, we gotta put the key in, duh. There we go, do the key. Push start. So we have a tire pressure monitor situation, windshield, headlight. What are the problems? Tire, is that it? That's all you're gonna give me? Okay. That's okay. Let's see. Well, you see the engine illuminated right there. Oh. Ugh. She is, ooh. She is, yeah, she's been, yeah, rode hard and put up wet, like they say with horses. This is neat. That's a neat little touch. Let's see what the engine looks like. And there you go, straight little 6. This is the smaller engine. Got a little bit of a knock. All of these engines do. You go out and give them a little Italian tune-up, and usually that knock will go away. It's running a little bit rough. But I've heard worse. I've lived with worse. This would be an easy fix, folks. This really would. This would be an easy fix. Okay, here's your broken latch. You can get new latches that attach, so that's not a big deal. This could be cleaned, easily cleaned. I even have tried toothpaste and it works. It really does. This might be something you could get very inexpensively, and you could drive this till you couldn't. I like the paint. Look at the flake in the paint. That's pretty. This is the smaller one though, but it's just as good. I don't know why I like these so much. Let me know what you think about the BMW 5 Series. I've had a ton of them, newer, older, and I like them, even though you get this weird little iDrive that tries to control everything. Here's something I guarantee you are going to like. Yep, right here, that tells me you're gonna love this car. Yep, 2015 Chevy Camaro SS, super fast. What is this, 426 horsepower? I know that because I just Googled it. The problem is we have a little bit of an issue here and a little bigger issue right there. So she's gonna need a pull. Not anything major. Okay, you'll need a bumper, a tail light, a nice little pull. If you're good, if you got a tree in your yard and a chain, you could probably pull that thing out yourself. Nothing major. Nothing over here too bad either. I like the red. I hope the exhaust and all of that is not hurt. This bumper though, you might even be able to save the bumper because this will, see, this will pop out. Get that hot water, boiling hot water, pour it on here, massage it a little bit. I bet you could save the bumper. You will need a tail light. You will need a trunk lid. And that, of course, has got to get pulled. Well, okay, so maybe there's a little more damage than I anticipated. Okay, well, that's something. Wow, that's unfortunate. But let's focus on the good. Let's just see what she's like on the inside. Just to hear. Oh, there's power too. Yes, we have a manual. We have, what did I say, 426 HP. We have only 53,000 miles on the odometer. Let's just kind of see what she sounds like. You ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Come on. There it is. Oh! Yeah. Quiet, quiet, quiet. There you go. 426 horsepower. What is it? 420 foot-pounds of torque. She thinks her trunk is open. But this, hold on. Hold on. My goodness. I like the gauges down here. I do. I really do. Let's see if we can figure out how to get the air conditioning on because here we go. We need some AC. It's getting a little sweaty. Sweaty Betty. Max. Why is my fan not coming on here? Why do we have no fanage? Come on! Here it comes. She just has to wait a little bit. Oh, it's got that smell. Oh, kind of musty. Ooh, yeah. All right. Nice, nice, nice. Low mileage, Boston premium audio right there. Lots of plastic trim. Yeah, Mikey likes that. Well, that looks like a screw someone has just used, a sheet metal screw to hold part of the bumper on. Well, I can understand why, because you're going to hit everything with this. And here we go. Oh, that looks good. Well, it should for 53,000 miles. Yes. Okay. I don't see any problems up here. I really don't. That is very impressive. 2015, 53,000 miles. Manual transmission. Check, check, check. I love it. I really do. We're doing the math in our head as we're trying to talk right now. Because that pull, you got that cross member. Try to save the bumper. Tail light, you're gonna find these in all the junkyards. You're gonna have to get it painted though. Oh, there's a little bit of damage here. Well, what do you think? Is this worth it or no? Just listen. Yeah, I think it's worth it. Oh, lie. Okay. Mikey really likes this. Let's go back in here. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. My Link, my favorite car of the group this time. My choice. Will it happen? My doubts. So could the Monkey Wrench Mike rock this Camaro SS? Ha! Absolutely. And the manual transmission to boot. Love it, love it, love it. All right, folks, that's going to do it for this walk around video. A big thank you and a big shout out. Oh, why is the windshield cracked? Add that to the list of things that needs to be fixed. Can you see it right there? Yep, we got a windshield that's got a crack from left all the way over to right. That's okay. This little stitching on the seats make up for it. And thank you to everybody here at IAA for letting me come out and wander around all these very cool cars and trucks and SUVs and ATVs and motorcycles and everything else you can imagine. Boats, they got everything here. So, thank you for watching as well, folks. We're back with another video very, very soon. We're getting our hands dirty, and don't forget, I got those electric bikes that I'm just loving, loving, loving. And I'm getting a lot of people saying, you're straying from your lane. Stay in your lane. Stay with Mercedes. Stay with BMW. I've been doing that, and I've been getting more and more subscribers. I'm just trying to expand the channel. So if you don't like the electric bike reviews, no offense, you don't have to watch them. Don't. But if you do, then please watch them. I've actually helped sell probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 of those electric bikes. I get a teeny tiny commission off of that, which is nice, but I do them because they are certainly fun, and I really enjoy riding those bikes. So will I open up a second YouTube channel for reviews? Maybe. I might do that, but that's a lot of effort, and then you got to build up so you can get monetized again. I don't know. We'll just have to see what happens. But let me know your thoughts. Should I continue? Should I only focus on Mercedes and BMW? Should I expand the brand, the Monkey Wrench Mike brand, and include all kinds of cars? A lot of folks tell me I need to go to American cars from the 90s, kind of like my friend Randy did for a while. I could do that. I was a product. I was driving cars in the 90s. I know how crappy a lot of them are and how good some of them are. But let me know your thoughts, because I do appreciate you guys taking the time to write comments. All right. Thank you for watching. We're back with another video very, very soon. Okay? Yeah, this is nice. Yeah.